almost. Yeah. Right, I'm going to head the ball climbing down this waterfall. As it falls in that water, there's some laughing. Now, two head the balls attempting it. Oh, she's in! Right, looks too slippy. Looks too slippy, you'd be into that, honestly. Well, part of me wants you to fall in, but be wrong with it. My car would be messing. Right, don't worry about it, holds up, you come. You're not going to make an effort at it. Well done, hey! I wouldn't bother, Halls, it's too slippy. Yeah? You'll slip, it's too difficult, Halls, too slippy. Aye, that's good. Knock yourself out, soak this you want. Hey, well done. And let's see you come down. Right, hang on, let me try to get a photograph of you.